What's up everyone, it's your boy Crêncio and welcome back to one more video in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful web page using Figma. So first of all, I'll speak in English in this video, but I'm Mozambican. Open your Figma on your computer, or I don't know if you're going to open it on web, which is figma.net or figma.com, I don't know. So you come here to this home. You click on design file, draft. So to have a page, you just click here on frame and you come into desktop. We're going to choose this one, desktop. So we already have our page. I'm going to open this one and I'll make a print screen of this just to guide us in this video. Control V. I will leave this image available for all of you just to use if you want. So the first thing we're going to do is to find this logo and these curves. For that we are going to use our browser. Let me Google it here, coffee logo. And I want to teach you something. Come into ferramentas. I believe in English it is going to appear as tools, and here on code or colors choose transparent. So when you put it like this, you are going to find images without background. So that images are in PNG, ready to use. So the logo I used is this one. I'll let it to process the quality. Right click and copy image. Come here, Control V. Pressing Control and scroll your mouse, you are going to make zoom in and zoom out. So come into one of these corners, push it, pressing shift. So here you can find the rectangle tool. So we are going to make a rectangle over here and have a look. That image is our logo. So we're going to take our logo under the rectangle. So we are going to give the rectangle the same color as this one of coffee. So how are we going to do that? So we come to the fill, we click in this conta gota. I don't know how you call it in English, but in Portuguese it's conta gota. Or we call it as conta gota. So pressing shift, you are going to select the both files, and here we go. So we're going to find this cup of coffee cups. We are going to find it also in transparent. Do not forget to take this image into this desktop one. Now we are going to write home, about, menu and contact. So for that we are going to need the type tool. Click over the type tool and click once here and write home. We are going to increase that size. 22 I think is enough. We push it here. So pressing this one, you're going to use Ctrl C, Ctrl V, push until here, and here we write about, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and contact. Now what are we going to do is to write fresh coffee in the morning. Fresh. We come to these settings. We are going to let all the text in uppercase is here, and instead of regular we can choose bold and increase. Right, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. We are going to write coffee. Ctrl C, Ctrl V in. So click here on coffee here and come into fill, choose this color. So copy this, select using shift, press alt, and with the left click of your mouse push it down. Now double click over the fresh and type the morning. Now we need this text and the button here. So for the text, we're going to use type tool and select the area you want to write that text. Let's go to our browser, Lorem Ipsum. This is the default text that we can use for all what we want. I will select a piece of text and then I'll Ctrl V here, Ctrl A to select all. 10 I think is good, bold to light, and normal size. Using type tool, we are going to write get started. Get started. We see that the size is short. Alright, this size is enough. And with the right click over the get started, we are going to make it frame selection. We're going to click here on auto layout. Now just click on fill, choose the color of the fill. This is the color we're going to use for fill. It helps us to have the CSS because this one we are just designing here on Figma now, but another video we are going to transform it to a code, so it helps a lot. It helps us a lot. So the last thing is to put this color as the background, so I'm going to use the rectangle tool. I'll select the area using gota gota. I'm going to choose this color and fill all it. So I'll take this rectangle above all the things. So this is what we have designed now. So please, I will ask you to subscribe in this channel, hit your likes, leave your comments there. If you prefer me to speak in Portuguese or in English, all I'm open to. And see you in the next video coding this beautiful web page. Bye.